So today I was craving Persian pizza a lot, which is something that Italians definitely should not watch because it's an insult to the original pizza, but it's really delicious. So I definitely and highly recommend you to make this at home. So the things that you need for this pizza, I'm sorry, being too far away from the camera. So the things that you need for the pizza, well, obviously is some kind of pizza dough, or like a pre-cooked pizza bread, corn, mushrooms, also sliced black olives, and tomato paste and ketchup. I already have my tomato paste over here, and ketchup. As you can see, most of my products are from great value. This is not to advertise anything, it's just the fact that they're more affordable here. And you're gonna need green bell pepper. This is optional, but you can also use some slices of onion. And the rest is strawberries, and the lettuce are for other things that I just washed. And also, just good to have something to eat while cooking. Okay, hello again. So the other things that you're gonna need are some kind of bologna or salami, but bologna is better, and some type of wieners or hot dogs. So you're also gonna need mozzarella for pizza, shredded mozzarella, which Italians hate, I know. And you're gonna need some spices, some thyme. That's something that we all need. Some black pepper, and I think that's it. Okay, so let's start cooking. I'm gonna put this one here, and then get the dough. I'm gonna also pour some olive oil. Like, this is gonna be such a mess, I know already. Like, I'm usually a better cook when I'm not filming, but this is my first time, so just bear with me. I already washed my hands, so don't worry about that. And also, it's going to go inside the oven, so it's gonna be clean. All the bacteria is gonna be killed. Nothing's gonna be left. I'm going to just spread all this. This should be fine. Usually in Iran, they don't use marinara sauce in this type of pizza. Like, we do have all types of pizza over there. This one, just ketchup should be enough. I'm going to add tomato paste to the fillings. I know I'm going to get so much hate for doing this, but like, this is how it's done in most Iranian fast food chains. Okay, so we're done with this. We're gonna move on to the next step. Heat up. This much should be enough for all the pizza. I'm not gonna fry these, I'm just gonna fry the sausage. I'm gonna use 5. So this is a trick I use. These things that have water inside them, I'm gonna push the lid down and use the lid so that like I get rid of all of the water without anything falling. Use 2/3 of it. Some tomato paste. You could also add ground beef inside it as well, but I just didn't want to use it right now. It's frozen and like it would have taken so much time. I'm gonna add the first layer of cheese. We're gonna add all these inside. Spread it out nicely and gently. I should have added the bologna layer first. It doesn't matter. Now we're gonna add the bologna and corn as well, and olives, everything. So where's the bologna? I have to shred it. I don't know where. I do have a thing that is used for it, but I don't have the surface for it. So here is the bologna. Now we're gonna add the bologna. This is gonna be a super stuffed pizza. Now we're gonna spread out the onions. Some thyme. Loma. My God. Turn this inside. We're now gonna wait until this pizza is ready. Almost ready. So now I'm going to take this out. Oh my goodness. Turn it off. Now it's ready. So here it is. So now it's done and it's time to eat.